Sinumpa ni Antibong Special Envoy to the Republic of Korea for Digital Transformation in Kabalentamo ay Dennis Anthony Uy. Merapating oath-taking ceremony apeni muna ng President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. king Malacanang Palace anyang Miyerkules October 4. Iuy ing founder at Chief Executive Officer na ning Converge ICT Solution Incorporated, Ameragul at mayari aking pamag-aral king Angeles City. King kayang speech anyang Investors Night king Mexico, Pampanga, anyang Lunes, October 2, sinabi na ning bayong lukluk at diplomat at dakal dapat isamas king immigration system na ning bangsa.
Ang dami ng problema umabot na sa kamay ko. In fact, last week, we just addressed the case of arriving tourists from Korea. Ambassador Lee is complaining to me directly. Kinakakap natin yung mga ating tourists. Pasok sila, they contributing our tourism industry, and isa-isahin natin binabasahin yung bag nga. Mukhang bago sila pumunta dito sa atin, dumaan sa proper screening, lahat yan dumaan sa securities. Why we should do this?
Kaya kano ka rin dapat dinan pansin ng gobyerno yung automation na ring proseso at bawasan na mo rin yung human intervention bang kanitang aiwasan mo naman yung corruption.
Number one, visa online is not there. You can apply online because of the digitalization we have today. Bakit natin pinahihirapan? Quota system, more than 100 a day. Ano mangyayari sa tourism industry natin? Third, pagpasok mo sa immigration, may isang room para kausapin, for what? Para magbigay ng how much bago papasok. It's about time we need to correct all this image, and our country is become the name sa labas, hindi medyo maganda.
Agpangking Kapampangan Business Tycoon, lakwas siyang manawa ing ekonomiya nining bansa nung dakala pa ring turistang buntake katamo.
More visitor to our country, the more business to the Philippines. Hotel, pamangan, transportation. Imagine, halagaan tala rin bisita tamo. Lulupla pa mo, matita na problema, how we can help encourage more. Imagine, this is the best beaches in the world.
Akin kaya kayong talasuyo ay Paulo G. Santos, ating pusong makabalan.